following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WCW World Tag Team Championship. On the way to the ring, they are the WCW World Tag Team Champions, Michael P.S. and Jimmy Carl B. Introducing the challengers, the Ninja and the Great Mutant, the Eliminators.
There's no question that this one's going to be a struggle, an outright battle of wills. I want to point out, it's important to mesh with your partner in a tag match. You don't necessarily have to like them, but if you're not on the same page, the shoulders are down.
And he kicks out. With the championship at stake, you know these superstars will give everything they have to win here tonight.
And did you hear the impact on that kick? A big fist to the gut.
Stuffed again. And there's an effective counter by the Masked Man. This match will have a lot of big moves. One question will be, who will capitalize on those moves the best? And we're going back between the ropes.
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up? Oh, geez. Knocked into next week. Remember, there are no countouts in this contest. This match could end up anywhere. Broken up. And that could have been bad.
The championship hangs in the balance. And he's forced back in the ring. And this is going to return to the ring. Got out of the way of that one.
What a tag team match this has been.
He wasted no time going for that pin. He's going for the pin. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
That's not good.
Oh, wait, nice reversal.
A huge shot.
Look out! Oh, geez. He forgot to put the landing gear down on that one.
Oh, launched back into the ring. And he has to make a tag to his fresh partner. Disqualifications are in effect. If the challenger isn't careful, the match could get thrown out.
chair being wedged into the ropes. Evil intentions here. Oh, tell me he's going to try this.
This is going to be big, one way or the other.
Oh, he whipped that one.
He's got him covered. Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness.
Big knee to the face. And the boot connects with the abdomen.
Rudely interrupted there. Oh, gosh, there's no telling how much damage that did.
Oh, great counter by the Rocker. Caught the leg. Wow.
Don't expect a lot of mercy to be shown here. Uh-oh. Pile driver!
Playing mind games.
Yeah, a little intimidation there.
He wasted no time going for that pin.
These competitors will always be looking to unleash their finishing maneuver. And when that happens, the complication of the match can change in a heartbeat.
The Samurai hits it.
Oh my, what thunderous impact.
And the Samurai reverses it. Oh, how do you do that? Oh, man, what a knee lift. Back into the ring now.
Championship on the line.
Whoa!
He's measuring. Into the cover, hooks the leg.
It looks like all four competitors are going at it. This is what I like.
He gets out of trouble there.
That'll earn you some frequent flyer miles.
Again, no countouts. These competitors can do whatever they want outside of the ring.
What? Oh, the Rocker! He wants back in this match in the worst way. Oh, a last-second rescue.
And there's another block. The tension, the drama. This is electric. Looks like we're going back inside.
And he wants to get out of there in the worst way.
Now back to the ring. It's a big fight feel here in this arena. The WWE Universe hanging on every move. He desperately, desperately needs to make a tag here.
Cole, what's he got in mind?
And we're going back between the ropes.
These guys are giving it absolutely everything they've got. He's got him hooked.
We got a tag. What a match. And he finally gets out of the ring.
Man, this has been a great matchup.
And he missed that one.
Partner looking out for him there.
Again, uh-oh, he might have lost some teeth there. And it looks like we could be heading back into the ring. Now back to the ring. Thus far, this has been a phenomenal championship contest. Who will win? Who's going home with the title?
He was one step ahead on that one.
And he gets escorted back through the ropes. With the championship at stake, you know these superstars will give everything they have to win here tonight.
He's got him.
He saw that one coming.
And there he goes, under the bottom rope. And maybe some order will be restored here. Championship on the line.
The masked man takes advantage.
That's not good.
Watch out, and there's the super kick. Wow, what a shot! He's been busted wide open. That's gonna need stitches for sure. This has been a war.
Doing whatever it takes to win.
Incoming.
He might have lost some teeth there.
Oh, no. Wait a minute, Cole. What's he gonna do here?
And we're going back between the ropes. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. And he gets back in the ring. What a nasty elbow.
Listen to this place come alive and build support for him. This is unbelievable. The samurai is still fighting.
Look out. A sharp kick. With the championship at stake, you know these superstars will give everything they have to win here tonight. At what point, King, do those thoughts creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest?
And I don't know. The masked man caught him. Here's a cover.
2. And again, the mind games are played.
This is a grueling championship match. Nobody wants to lose this opportunity. No, blocked.
Championship on the line.
The superstar with a counter out of nowhere. He was able to reverse that.
No one home for that one.
This is a grueling championship match. Nobody wants to lose this opportunity.
And there's an effective counter by the masked man. Whoa, what a beautiful crossbody. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. Shoulders down, championship on the line.
Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King. But I still don't see him giving up. With the championship at stake, you know these superstars will give everything they have to win here tonight. Uh-oh, trying to put him away. He's got it locked in. This could do it.
This is such a painful hold.
Championship on the line.
Watch it, watch it. Telegraph.
There's the cover. Can he do it?
A stiff shot with the elbow. You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men. Uh-oh.
Watch out here.
What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put each other through. The intensity in this has been...
That's it. He's done.